Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Jasmine rice. What kind of rice is used for sticky rice? The type of rice you need is jasmine rice. Named after the sweet-smelling jasmine flower, it's grown in Thailand and its key characteristics are a slightly sweet, fragrant flavor and sticky glutinous texture. Don't attempt to use other long-grain rice varieties.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cooking basmati rice. Given the emphasis on fluffiness rather than stickiness, it's not surprising that basmati rice is typically prepared using the cooking method which happens to produce the fluffiest, least sticky rice, regardless of variety, and that is via the pilaf method. 29 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Jasmine rice. They are all the same family of glutinous rices. If they aren't available, then jasmine rice is the closest substitute. With any of these rices, rinse 3 to 4 times with cold water. Cover the rice with 2 to 3 inches of cold water, and soak for 6 to 8 hours. 24 May 2008.
Take our lead.
Sticky rice is also called sweet rice because of its taste. It has a sweeter taste than regular white rice, which is why it works so well in dessert recipes. But mainly, it is prized for its chewy and sticky texture. 13 July 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.